Maglilingwa pala tayo guys. Pork lingwa to guys. Maglagay tayo ng tanglad guys. Kaya na rin pala ako dyan guys ng bawang guys. Rock salt guys. Mga 1 kutsara lang yung guys. Magdagdag pa tayo ng sibuyas. Yan, pakuloyin lang natin yan guys. Antay natin lumambot. Tis natin guys kung malambot na. Tigas pa guys. Guys, balikan natin guys ang oras na to guys. Ayan guys, malambot na. Lambot na guys yung ating dila guys. Yan. Guys, naka-ready na pala guys yung ating dila guys. Na-slice ko na. Yan, meron tayo dyan guys mushroom, tsaka yung ating all-purpose cream, tsaka gamit tayo guys ng butter, tsaka yung ating cream of mushroom guys. Sama natin guys yung ating mushroom. Konti lang yung mushroom natin guys kasi nasa pouch lang. Yung cream of mushroom pala guys. Lagyan natin. Yun. Tayo guys, paminta. Sama natin guys yung ating dila pala guys. Dito pa lang guys, makrimi na guys. I-add natin guys yung ating all-purpose cream guys. Nestle all-purpose cream natin guys para mas lalong creamy guys yung ating lingwa. Yan guys, mas lalong nag-creamy siya guys yung ating lingwa guys, pork lingwa guys. Yan, tikman natin guys. Creamy na guys, luto na po yan guys pala guys sa mga nanonood na aking ina-upload na video guys. Ayan, paki-like and share naman guys at paki-follow na rin guys yung aking lingwa guys, pork lingwa. Ayan.